Thinking about the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro action camera? This honest 2025 review dives deep into everything you need to know before you buy. The Mission 1 Pro boasts a groundbreaking new GP3 processor and a larger 1-inch sensor, delivering stunning 8K open-gate recording and an astonishing 960 frames per second slow motion at full HD. While the 960 FPS slow motion is a professional-grade feature, perfect for capturing those incredible cinematic moments, be aware it's limited to short bursts and FHD. For amazing 4K slow motion, it crushes at 240 FPS, outperforming many professional cameras. Despite some early firmware quirks, the camera's image quality is solid, especially when shooting in 10-bit log for ultimate post-production control, and the new Enduro 2 battery ensures you'll have power all day. Is the GoPro Mission 1 Pro worth the upgrade from your old model? It's a definite leap for older GoPro users, though perhaps not a massive jump for Hero 13 Pro owners outside of its advanced slow-mo. The true game-changer will be the Mission 1 Pro ILS with its interchangeable Micro Four Thirds lens mount, potentially revolutionizing professional action cinematography. Don't miss out on securing your Mission 1 Pro or its exciting new accessories. Find all the best links in the description below.